Hello guys, here's Alan from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangdong Konson's Metal Packing Technology Limited Corporations. Our company was founded in 2017, which is a leading manufacturer of metal packings. Our company is strictly in terms of metal packings for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. Our company is a high-tech enterprise with more than 25 years of experience in making tin cans. In the next part, I will show you our company and the showroom to you. So without further ado, let's get started.
We have reached cooperation with universities and are committed to training new packaging talents to contribute to the innovative development of tin can packaging. Our company has 20,000 square meters of standard workshop and modern supporting facilities, equipped with 20 production lines and advanced automatic production lines. We are the industry leader in production efficiency, cost control, and quality. Apart from this, the company has ISO 9001-2015 International Quality Certification and ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System Certification Enterprise, and has UN International Dangerous Goods Packaging Export Certificate, food can products in line with EU, SGS, and FDA standard. What's more, our company also have many patent certificates.
And now let's move to our foreign sales department. As you see, we work very close so that we can communicate with each colleague very efficiently to solve problems for clients. And here is our showroom. I really love our showroom. Look at the decoration, the designs, and the colors. I love it so much. I love it, and all kinds of products can show it to our customers. At the next part, I will show 3 items of our many food cans to you.
First is our oil cans. It used to store olive oil, cooking oil, and other food oil. There are 2 shapes can be chosen, rectangular and round. We can do 250 milliliters to 20 liters. Clients can choose different capacities, different height, different size, and do custom printing on the cans. Material is template, and leaks also can be chosen. The advantage of oil cans is coating inside. We use safety food oil coating. Thickness of cans we can do 0.23 to 0.25 millimeters. Then is our food round cans. Shape is round. We can do plain cans, rolling indentation cans, and printing cans. Clients can choose different capacities, different diameter and height. Material is template. At least we can do 3 types. One is easy open leaks, one is aluminum foil leaks, and the other one is child and mother circulars. Clients can choose whether to match with selling machines according to different needs of choose the leaks. These cans apply for all kinds of food storage, sauce, coffee powder, and milk powder storage. We also can match special caps and spoon. Inside, we use safety food grade coating to protect from rust. This is our small and portable food can, applying for all kinds of food storage. We can do custom size and printing on the cans. Material is template. This is easy open leaks. Inside, we can assist in coating first grade safety food oil.
ESA.com. Make global trade easier.